Sorry, Father.
A civil authority has issued severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties/areas: Bullitt, Grayson, Hardin, Nelson, Kentucky, at 4:05 p.m. on August 20th, 2019, effective until 4:35 p.m. The National Weather Service at the level has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Nelson County in central Kentucky, northeastern Grayson County in central Kentucky, Hardin County in central Kentucky.
This voice is so weird. Please help me.
Central Kentucky until 5:30 p.m. EDT/4:30 p.m. CDT/ at 5:04 p.m. EDT/4:04 p.m. CDT/. The severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles.
Severe thunderstorm?
What? 45 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gust. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elizabethtown, Litchfield, Radcliffe, Vine Grove, Lebanon Junction, Clarkson, Sonora, St. Paul, Eastview, and Scaffoldtown. Hail: less than .75 iron wide, 60 miles per hour. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with this storm will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Will do.